Okay, ladies and gents, I am going to show you how you could use OneNote to record all of your stuff for your SciFest that you're going to need. If we do this every day, I ask you to do something, take photos of things, you'll have it all done beautifully. So when you open your OneNote and our section in it, you may have the content tab dropped down. If you haven't looked before in Form 1 Science, all of the stuff that we're going to do is in there. So this is our next one, solutions and separating methods. There's extra notes, there's links for you to use. You will see your name, so I'm going to use Aldrich's one as an example. If you click that, you get 4 tabs. We are going to be using the miscellaneous tab today. So this is Aldrich's tab. It already has a blank page in there. So if that was the case, then he can start typing if he types in SciFest here, that will be there waiting for him. I'm going to use my miscellaneous page so you can see. If there's no pages here at the bottom of the screen, there's a place to put your page and a page appears. And if, like Aldrich, you have a blank page in there, you can use this. So you make sure you type your title and you'll see it appearing on the left-hand side for you. So the first 3 things that you're going to have to record it are name and class. So you just put it in, press return, and you're going to put in full names. So I'm just going to pick Bob Roberts, Robert Bob, and Bobby Bobberton. Okay, they are my 3 people. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to put in your question or your flashy headline. So you can talk to mom and dad about this. So my question might be, I needed to think about that first. How much solute will dissolve in 100 grams of water? Okay, and then I'm going to type my hypothesis like so, and my hypothesis will be the more solute there is, the more it will dissolve. Okay, that is what you're going to have done, written in a copybook or written in using OneNote for our next check-in date. So the next check-in is going to be on the 9th of February. And on that day, you will be bringing in your filled in data table. Okay, if there are any issues, shout and we will solve them.